solving? Do you have any question that you want to know that how to solve, or did you have any problem last time when you solved a clue, with clue or without clue? Let me know from your comments that did you have any problems or not. Okay, let me know in comment, because if you have any query, that will help us to know in what position are you in, so that we can solve the position. Yes, Devjyoti Dhar, it's long time. Nusrat Tripa, if you have any problem regarding watching the screen, refresh your device. It's actually digital issue. Here I can see it between after some time, and so I will not change the device very fast, but it's actually network issue. Okay, I will tell all the things, don't worry. With clue and without clue, no problem. Okay, so Shangvid Roy, do you have any problem regarding other topic that you wanted to solve, or any question? Because it's actually a problem solving class, and I will just discuss some tips and things. It's nice to see you, Asma Khatun. Yes ma'am, so many problems. If you go to solve these kind of questions first time, I can't solve it, what should I do now? Okay, Mukhlisur Rahman, walaikum assalam. I know that many of you can solve these problems. I'm really aware of that. But even then, if I tell you to describe the way you solve the question, maybe you will not be able to answer me, because maybe by guessing you can give a correct answer, but you don't know the rules and regulations regarding solving a clue. So here are some tips. Though I have discussed these things earlier, even then I will discuss it again. If you are a beginner, you can write it down, or you can have a screenshot, or if you want a PDF, you can let me know in comment. Maybe if you are lucky enough, I will send PDF. Obviously I will send 5 students the presentation, yes, the PPT, if you comment me first 5. So if you want it, you can comment me, and if you have any other question, you can also ask me. That's not a big deal. The topic is with clue and without clue, but first I am thinking of without clue. If there is a gap and there is no clue, that means no word is given, no parts of speech is given, nothing is given. So what will you do? First, try to understand what is missing. This is important, that you have to understand what is missing. Can you understand that I am dash student? So what is missing? I am, verb is there, subject is there, and also an information regarding I is there, a student. So a student is there, but a is missing. So what can I put in the gap? An article, a student, or few student. Can I put few student? No, I can't, because students I have to put. If I have to put few, then there has to be students. So there are some things that we have to understand what is missing. But if I start missing or searching something, we have to take in mind that from where will I start? Yes, I just explained one sentence that I am a student, and I then explained that am is there. That means verb is there. You know, verb is the main thing, the heart. Yes, the heart of English sentence. So if you start searching something, you have to search the verb first. So search the verb first. Then what? If the verb is there, then look for subject. But be careful, there are some imperative sentences, and in imperative sentence the subjects are not there. So you have to also understand the type of the sentence. So for understanding the type of the sentence and the structure of the sentence, you have to just see at the end of the sentence what kind of punctuation is there. Is it a full stop? Is it an interrogation mark? And if it's full stop, then you have to go back and see, does the word of the sentence, first word, the starting word is a verb or just something that is a gap. So you can understand that if it's a gap and there is a verb after it, oh, then it's normal assertive sentence and we have to put a subject. So let's see, there are so many students over there and they are commenting. Okay, Tajin Sati is asking me that can we pronounce 107 107? Okay, we can. Or are there any specific rule in pronunciation of number? No, it's okay. There are actually variation of British and American pronunciation. It's completely okay if you say it O or zero, or if you want to say it zero, it's also fine. This is actually some rules and regulation of the accent and that things. It's completely okay. I will tell these things in some other class, as it's not a class of pronunciation. Okay, Fatima Zohra, Walaikum Assalam. Okay, I got Muhammad Ehsanul Habib. After finishing the class, I will send it. Munia Jahan Sadia. Okay, thank you. Okay, I know there are some students who want to listen Bangla. I know, but actually if you wanna learn a language, if you wanna acquire a language, anything, learn or acquire, you have to be courageous enough to listen that language. Without listening that language, how could you be able to speak that or understand that? So try to understand. If you have any problem, you can let me know in comment. If you want Bangla, I will make another video on Bangla and then I will post it again, but for the first time try to understand English and help me out over there, because if you tell me make a class of English in Bangla, it will be harder for me. Yes. Okay, Nusrat Nipa is asking me the placement of noun. Okay, I will tell those things in some other class, not in this class, because noun has some specific placement. Okay, Amin Akhtar, don't worry, ma'am will come. Other ma'am will also take classes, don't worry. It's not that that every time, every place you have the good or the best thing. Think about other competitions also. Shangvid Roy is also, it's someone is asking that 2021 or 2022. It's a topic that is common to both 2021 and 2022, so it's not very harder thing. Then what we have to see, if there is gap after article and nothing, the answer must be noun. That means a gap student, a good student, a bad student. So this kind of thing. If there is gap after article and noun, the answer must be an adjective. So this is a very good student is adjective, whereas yes, article is also adjective. Then adverb, adjective and noun. This is a quick recap actually. So if nothing is missing, if you see that in a sentence there is nothing is missing, you can add modifier, try to guess the word in circumstances. Obviously you have to read the para and understand the meaning, and so read the full passage properly. This is actually without clue, and I am actually yes, Farooq Hussain is telling that if we guess and just randomly choose any answer, that doesn't help. But in classes, it actually becoming a trend that not studying too much rules and just pondering into the topic and I also agree to some extent that reading the lines, all the rules is a hard job. But if you just focus on the just a couple of rules that I have given, and I have also took a class on this topic with an elaboration, you can also see that I am just giving a quick recap, and I am asking you for any question. Mind it, I am just telling you that if you have any query on the topic, that is with clue, without clue, or fast paper, let me know in comment. I can talk about that, because this is not actually a lecture basis class, it's problem solving. So if you have any problem, you can tell me. Yes, Samvidra, it's true. If you know the rules, and also you have a good guessing quality, because sometimes the rules are not that good enough to give you the correct answer, so then you have to guess. But at first, rules are the base point. And now there is some clues that is for with clue. If the word is given, what you have to do, try to understand what is given. Sometimes I, as a teacher, have noticed that some students don't think about the word properly. They just think, oh, this is a word, I will take it and put it anywhere, and the fill in the gap will be completed. No, that's not true. You have to understand given words meaning. What is the meaning of the word? Given words parts of speech. Sometimes you have to change the parts of speech. Even sometimes you have to make the plural form of noun, or may have to add s or es with a verb. So these things are the derivation that you may have to do. If you are not aware, maybe you will choose the right word, but you will not get the mark. So this is something, the words meaning, the given words meaning, because I am talking about a gap that is with clue. Maybe the word is just after the gap, or maybe the word is given top of the passage in a box, and then there will be more words than necessary. Maybe there will be 10 gaps, but you will be given 12 words as a clue. So you have to understand the given words meaning, then given words parts of speech, and then the wanted words parts of speech. That means if I have to use the word in a particular sentence and a gap, that means I have to use the word in a particular way, maybe in a particular parts of speech, maybe in a particular words format. So I have to understand the sentence structure, and then select the exact word for gap and change as needed. So this is the final thing. You have to select appropriate word, then you have to understand in which group we have to, in which mood we have to put it in the gap, which parts of speech I have to change it, or I don't need to change. All these things I have to think. Okay, then next thing, be careful, use correct spelling. This is one thing that you don't get the right mark or the marks completely, because sometimes we see that some students get A plus or golden even in SSC and HSC, and they don't get the pass mark even in a reputed varsity. Why? Because they are not careful in spelling. So be careful for your spelling. So there are some more questions. Walaikum assalam, Farha Islam, Naim walaikum assalam. There are so many comments. Farha Islam, it's first paper. Maybe in next class we will take a class on second paper. Maybe ma'am can take. It's not clear that much, but it will be happen. It's definitely the routine will be followed. Short syllabus is actually completed, but we are having problem solving classes. So if you have any problem, you can ask me or ask in comment freely. Thank you, Hancock. Modifier. Okay, fine. obviously comment. If you think you need a class on modifier, just comment it, and obviously you will have that. So this is a questions clue. Actually, this is a question of Dhaka Board 2017. I will ask you question, so be attentive now. Record, safe, open, aware, develop, precaution, minimize, lie, compulsory, straight, loss, possibility. These are the words, these are the clues actually given in that particular question. So for better answer, you have to understand the words. Yes, for understanding weaker, what kind of information do you need? I am just giving some examples so that you can understand how you can understand a word. Just like Rika, at first you have to understand the parts of speech of the word. Rika is actually a verb. So what is the meaning? Now the meaning comes to happen again or number of times. That means happening again and again. That is recur or recurring. And you have to just look the word in dictionary or in your Google, anywhere, and be careful, there is double R in recurring. So this is the information you will need. First the words parts of speech, then the meaning, and then maybe some spelling if it's change its format. So do you do this? Do you always try to understand the parts of speech of every word and then you try to read the meaning, or just skip all these things? Let me know in comment. Okay, Asma Khatun, you are talking about writing part. Obviously I had so many writing classes already taken, but if you want, we also can take more classes on it. Just mention which topic do you want, because this is very short time. You have to be specific. Which part do you want? Okay, I see Sheikh Maruf Billah from Government Podda College. Mondira Banerjee, namaskar, from Sripur Government College, Magura. Congratulations and thank you for having here, being here, and I'm really glad to have you here in my class. I need a class for preposition, Tipu Sultan. Okay, the next class maybe will be on preposition. I will try my best. Pronoun referencing. Okay, all the things will be covered, don't worry. But I have a question. Do you have tried to solve the problems? What kind of problems did you got when you try to solve the question? তোমরা যখন কোয়েশ্চেনটা সলভ করার চেষ্টা করেছো, এটা মডিফায়ার হোক, প্রোনাউন হোক, কিংবা এটা রাইটিং সেকশন হোক, কি ধরনের সমস্যা তোমরা ফেস করো? কারণ প্রত্যেকটা প্রবলেমেরই কিন্তু কিছু নিজস্ব ধরন আছে। আই জাস্ট ফর এক্সাম্পল আই টেল ইউ, ইফ ইউ আর সলভিং আ মডিফায়ার, মেবি ইউ আর নট বিং এবল টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য ক্লু। ওখানে কিন্তু একটা বিস্তারিত ক্লু দেওয়া থাকে। Pre-modifier, post-modifier, use appositive, use infinitive, then fill the gap. তো তোমার কি এই ক্লুটা বুঝতে সমস্যা হচ্ছে? যদি এটা বুঝতে সমস্যা হয় তাহলে এগুলো নিয়ে আলোচনা করতে হবে। আবার অনেকের সমস্যা হলো এই ক্লুগুলো তো বুঝে যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু এই ক্লুগুলোর সাথে আমি ওখানে কিভাবে সব কিছু মেলাবো, এটা একটা প্রবলেম। আবার বেশিরভাগ স্টুডেন্টের আমার কাছে মনে হয়েছে যেটা প্রবলেম হয় প্রি মডিফায়ার এবং পোস্ট মডিফায়ার বুঝতে হেডওয়ার্ড না জানার কারণে। কারণ সব সময় আমরা মডিফায়ার নিয়ে কথা বলি, হেডওয়ার্ড নিয়ে কথা বলি না। কিন্তু আমার কাছে যেটা মনে হয় যে আমি যদি বরকে না চিনি তাহলে আমি বউ খুঁজবো কে করে? কারণ হেডওয়ার্ড তো বেসিক্যালি বর আর মডিফায়ার হচ্ছে কোনে। সো দিস ইজ things. I'm just using a couple of Bangla sentence to make you comfortable. Okay, nice to have comments. Ejoy is commenting, ma'am ক্লাসটা ইউটিউবে দিয়ে দিলে ভালো হবে, কারণ আমার কলেজের ক্লাস চলে তাই এখন দেখতে পারবো না, প্লিজ ম্যাম আপলোড করে দেবেন। This class will be here forever, don't worry. Okay, so you will comment in which section of problem are you there, so we can focus on that. If it's not that, we will take on the topic classes on the topic. Don't worry. So I have given the words information. The main word is here, the parts of speech just after it, and the meaning, and in some cases I have put the example. So for knowing a word, you have to know the parts of speech, the meaning, and one more thing is needed. Can you tell me the other thing is what? একটা ওয়ার্ড জানতে আমি সেটার পার্টস অফ স্পিচ জানলাম, সেটার মানে জানলাম, আরেকটা কি জানা উচিত দেখি কে পারে। যে পারবে আমি সত্যি সত্যি তাকে একটা স্পেশাল গিফট দেব। কে বলতে পারে একটা ওয়ার্ডের এই যে আমি পার্টস অফ স্পিচ মিনিংয়ের পরে আরেকটা জিনিস জানা উচিত, সেটা কি? লাস্টে আসবো এটাতে। I have given the things. You can have a screenshot, completely fine. I'm not explaining all the things because we have time limitations. Here is an important thing. Straight. We can have adverb and adjective. Straight can be used as adverb. Straight can be used as adjective. So you have to know how to use straight when it is adjective and when it is adverb. He has been working for 16 hours straight. Actually, been working how many hours? 16 hours. And 16 hours is not with a break, just straight, continuously, and this is an adverb. Another thing, it is time for someone straight talking straight. This is an adjective. So this is actually adjective, and straight is very common thing, not very hard. So I have not given the meaning, I have just given the parts of speech here. Loss, possibility, and if you actually had time, we could have a elaborate class on parts of speech, but we don't have the topic directly, that's why we are not doing this. But I have given my ID here. If you have any problem, you can comment me there also, or you can comment in the comment section which part of speech are you interested to learn. We can have maybe a couple of class on that. So here is a question. It is a matter of great concern that Bangladesh dash in the active earthquake zone. Do you know that recurrently earthquakes are happening in Sylhet, and they are actually in a threat? Maybe we all are in a threat. So I have taken this piece of question so that you can understand that also. It is a matter of great concern that Bangladesh dash in the active earthquake zone. Most of the Bangladeshis are fully dash of its severity. Experts are alarmed by the dash of quakes during recent years. Can you guess? Here are the clues. So let me read the comment, and by the time you can comment me the answer. Mohammad Rabiul Alam is telling, we difficult to understand in this class, are not able to achieve our English lecture properly. You had better focus on majority percent students what you teach us by lecture. Would you mind explaining with English and Bangla? Yes, I am also using Bangla. Okay, Mohammad Ashaduzzaman Noor is telling that he is frustrating, হীনমন্যতায় আছি। আমি কিন্তু প্রথমে একটা কথা বলেছিলাম যে তোমাদের যদি কোনো রকম ক্লাস রিলেটেড কোয়েশ্চেন থাকে তোমরা করতে পারো। আসলে অনেকে হীনমন্যতা না, অনেক রকম ডাউটেও আছে, কনফিউশনেও আছে যে আসলে কি অটো পাস দিয়ে দেবে, আসলে কি হবে, আসলে আমার পরীক্ষা দিতে লাগবে না আমি বসে বসে পাস করে যাব। এখানে আমি একটা ছোট্ট কোয়েশ্চেন করব, তোমরা আমাকে বলো তো আমরা ইংরেজি বা আমরা পড়াশোনা কেন করি? শুধু কি আমরা পাস করার জন্য পড়াশোনা করি? আমরা কি কখনোই শুধুই খাওয়ার জন্য খায় না, একটু পেটটা ভরতে হবে, পেট ভরার পর যেন কমফোর্টেবল লাগে, পেট ভরার পর যেন আমি অসুস্থ হয়ে না যাই, ডায়রিয়ায় পড়ে না যাই, এসব ভেবেও একটু খাই, সব কিছু ভেবেই কিন্তু কাজ করি। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, একটু টেস্ট থাকুক, একটু খেতে ভালো লাগুক, খাবারটা একটু পেটে গিয়ে আমাকে শান্তি দিক, সব ভেবেই কিন্তু আমরা কাজটা করি। এখন পড়াশোনাটা এইরকমই হয়ে গেছে। তোমরা যদি মনে করো যে অটোপাস দিয়ে দেবে, আমি ডিসঅ্যাগ্রি করছি না, অ্যাগ্রিও করছি না, কি করবে আমি জানি না, বাট যদি অটোপাস দিয়ে দেয়ও, ইভেন দেন তোমাদের কি তারপরে কোনো পরীক্ষাতে ইংরেজি লাগবে না? তোমাদের কি তারপরে কোনো পরীক্ষাতে বাংলা লাগবে না? তোমাদের কি তারপরে পড়াশোনা করতে হবে না? তার মানে তোমাদের এই টাইমটা যদি ভাবো আমি এইচএসসির জন্য পড়ছি, তাহলে কিন্তু মনে হবে যে কখন কখন, কিন্তু যদি মনে করো আমি আমার লাইফটাকে গুছিয়ে নিচ্ছি, আমি একটু সময় পেয়েছি আমার জীবনের মাঝ থেকে, এবং এই সময়টা আমি বেঁচে আছি বলে পেয়েছি। কারণ আজকেও তুমি টিভি খুলে দেখো, কোভিডের কারণে, এই ভাইরাসের কারণে কত কত মানুষ পৃথিবী থেকে চলে গেছে। সো উই আর অ্যাকচুয়ালি ফর্চুনেট এনাফ দ্যাট উই আর লিভিং। ওকে আসমা খাতুন, I will send you the PDF. Mohammad Masood Rana is telling very important topic. Example, synonym, antonym. Your antonym spelling is not so good. Okay, Nayan Prabhash has told me that it is lies. Can you tell me why it is lies? Nahidur Rahman is telling me পরীক্ষায় পাশ করার জন্য পড়ি। Hiba ma'am, thank you. Actually you love me a lot, that's why you are telling me this way, and I love you a lot. Tipu Sultan, we are confused ma'am. Yes, you are confused, I know. Sumaya Afroz Mithi for gaining knowledge, that's why I am here to help you. Synonym, antonym, obviously I will have a class on synonym, antonym. Anchor Hicks, thank you and congratulations, it's correct. Tipu Sultan, in my opinion, to gain knowledge. Good. Asma Khatun, correct, congratulations. Nayan Pravash, sorry, Parvez actually, I'm really sorry. Wonderful presentation ma'am, thank you. Ratul Hassan has a good comment, thank you. Tajin Shati, we can know a word properly if we know its parts of speech, meaning or definition, spelling, synonym, antonym, the formation of the word, that means how can you use it in different places using suffix and prefix. All the things are related with writing and reading. What about knowing the correct pronunciation? Muhammad Antar Hussain, okay, mentioned lying. Tashinur Rahman is telling is lying. Is it lying? Okay, Tashinur Rahman is lying. So some people are telling this is lies, some is lying, but it's a matter of great concern that Bangladesh dash in the active earthquake zone. First thing, what is missing? The missing word is actually a verb. And what kind of verb? A finite verb. That means the verb which states the tense and also follows the subject. Subject যেটাকে পরিবর্তন করে দেয় বা সাবজেক্টের দ্বারা যে ভার্বটা পরিবর্তিত হয় এবং যে ভার্ব দ্বারা টেন্স বোঝা যায়, এরকম একটা ফাইনাইট ভার্ব এখানে মিসিং আছে। সো এটাকে আমাকে অবশ্যই একটা ভার্ব এবং ফাইনাইট ভার্ব দিয়ে পূরণ করতে হবে। আমি যদি কোনো ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি যুক্ত করি, সেটা কখনোই ফাইনাইট ভার্ব হয় না। শুধু আইএনজি যুক্ত করলে এটা নন ফাইনাইট হয়ে যায়। সো শুধু আইএনজি যুক্ত হবে না। ফার্স্ট ওয়ান নো। এরপরে যদি বলি যে লাই বসাবো, তাহলে লাই বসানোর জন্য আমাকে এটা টেন্সটা একটু খেয়াল করতে হবে। কি বলছে? ইট ইজ এ ম্যাটার অফ গ্রেট কনসার্ন দ্যাট বাংলাদেশ ড্যাশ ইন দ্য অ্যাক্টিভ আর্থকুয়েক জোন। বাংলার দিক দিয়ে যদি খেয়াল করি, বাংলাদেশ, লাই মানে আমি একটু আগে দেখিয়েছিলাম শুয়ে থাকা, সমান করে রাখা, এখানে হচ্ছে সুপ্ত থাকা বা নিহিত থাকা বা নিচে থাকা। আমি যদি খেয়াল করি যে বাংলাদেশ আর্থকুয়েক জোনেই আছে, আর্থকুয়েক জোনে কি এখন আছে না গতকালকেও ছিল, আগামীকালকেও থাকবে? দিস ইজ কাইন্ড অফ universality that we are having this as an issue that is not actually of this time, also continuing, that means it's রানিং। যখন এ ধরনের জেনারেল কোনো কিছু হয় যেটা এই মুহূর্তে শুধু, তখন আমরা বলে থাকি কন্টিনিউয়াস, ইটস রানিং। ওটা বললাম রানিং, চলছে। আই অ্যাম টিচিং, ইউ আর ওয়াচিং। বাট আমি যদি বলি যে আমরা কিশোর বাতায়নে ক্লাস নিয়ে থাকি, তার মানে গতকালকেও নিয়েছি, এখনও নিচ্ছি, আগামীতেও নেব। দিস ইজ প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স। আর এই প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট হতে গেলে আমাকে ভার্বের সাথে সাবজেক্টের একটা রিলেশনও দেখতে হয়। সাবজেক্টে যদি কি হয়, থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার হয়। এখানকার সাবজেক্ট কোনটা? দ্যাটের আগে একটা অংশ আছে, একটা ক্লজ আছে, পরে একটা ক্লজ আছে। এখানে দ্যাটের পরে যে ক্লজটা আছে তার সাবজেক্ট হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশ। বাংলাদেশ ইজ থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার, সো উই হ্যাভ টু অ্যাড এস অ্যান্ড ইট উইল বিকাম লাইজ। একটু বেশি ডিটেলড হয়ে গেল, তোমাদের জন্য এতটা দরকার নেই। আমি বি নাম্বারটা দেখিয়ে দিয়েছি, সি নাম্বারটা তোমরা করো ফাস্ট। Experts are alarmed by the dash of quakes during recent years. এখানে কি গ্যাপ আছে আসলে? দি অফ, দেখি এখানে কে বলতে পারে কি গ্যাপ আছে। এখানে গ্রামাটিক্যালি কেউ যদি খুব ভালো করে জানে তাহলে খেয়াল করবে যে আর্টিকেল দেয়া আছে, প্রিপোজিশন পরে আছে, মাঝখানে কি বসবে। Congratulations all those who have given me the correct answer, and now write the answer of question number C. Fast, it will be adjective. Farhana Sadika is telling it's adjective. Anyone else? Can you tell me what sits just after an article? একটা আর্টিকেলের পরে কি বসে? কিসের আগে আমরা আর্টিকেল বসাই? অ্যাডজেক্টিভের আগে? আমি বলে দিচ্ছি, আর্টিকেল বসে নাউনের আগে এবং আর্টিকেলের পরে আমাকে নাউন বসাতে হবে যদি তারপরে প্রেপোজিশন থাকে। এই ক্লুটা কিন্তু অনেক জায়গাতে খুব কাজে দেবে। তো যখনই চট করে দেখবা একটা আর্টিকেল আছে, একটা গ্যাপ আছে, তারপর একটা প্রেপোজিশন আছে, অবভিয়াসলি মাঝখানে নাউন বসবে। তাহলে এখানে কি বসবে? এক্সপার্টস আর অ্যালার্মড। এক্সপার্টসরা বেশ অ্যালার্ম, সতর্কিত হয়ে গেছে, উদ্বিগ্ন হয়ে গেছে। কিসের দ্বারা? এই যে রিসেন্ট ইয়ারে আর্থকুয়েকগুলো হচ্ছে, কেমন করে হচ্ছে? একটু আগে বললাম না, বারে বারে হচ্ছে। তাহলে বারে বারে রিকার, কিন্তু রিকার তো এখানে পার্টস অফ স্পিচ অনুযায়ী একটু ঝামেলাই হয়ে গেছে। তাহলে এখানে কি হবে? হ্যাঁ, রিকার ভার্ব, এখানে আমাকে নাউনে ট্রান্সফর্ম করে দিতে হবে, উত্তর হয়ে যাবে রিকারেন্স। Another one, but they give no dash answer to the question of dash about the building of Dhaka city. I will not tell it, you have to give the answer in comment, and this will be homework. I know we have short time, so we will have to finish the class. D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These will be given to you as a homework. You can't see the last clue properly. Don't worry, these are actually Farhana Sadika, recurrent will not be correct. Why? You will answer me in comment. I will not answer. Why I will not answer? Everything if I say in the class, then maybe you will not be aware. Nahidur Rahman is telling it's aware. Please write the question number, because there are so many questions I am also already asked, and if you take time and give answer after just a while, it's very difficult to understand which question's answer is this, because aware was the answer of B. Maybe you are telling me that B, but recurrent, let me explain why recurrent will not be the answer. Recurrent as a parts of speech is not noun. So what kind of parts of speech is recurrent? Can anyone tell me what parts of speech is recurrent? Recur is verb, recurrence is noun. So Hancock, be careful. Spelling error. Yes, it's an adjective, but we need a noun. So we have to make recurrence, not recurrent. Okay? So these are actually with clue, without clue. If you have any question, you can ask me regarding the topic, or if you can comment, if you have any comment. So I am actually quite at the end. Asma Khatun, congratulations and thank you. You have made very good answers. You have given so many good answers, correct answers. Congratulations. So I have given some questions. You can answer me in comment, and if anyone comment full A to Z, not A to Z, A to J actually, full correct answer, I will send the PDF to them also, because at the beginning I promised I will send 5 students just from the beginning the PDF, but